On top inside Edo today, Edo people don dey happy as e be say e don dey easy to get C of O as dis one follow for Obaseki reform wey e dey do for Edo State. Edo people don dey happy well well as land matter don easy, and dis one na part of Governor Godwin Obaseki reform wey e dey do for Edo State wey make am open Edo State Geographic Information Service wey be EDOGIS. Edo people come talk how belle take sweet dem unto how e don take dey easy to get land for Edo State and say e follow for ease of doing business. Daniel Osobase wey be citizen of Edo State don talk say to get Certificate of Occupancy wey be C of O don dey very easy and say e dey cheap too. E still yarn am say him dey happy as Edo State government don change the face of land matter for the state and say belle sweet am as e dey happen for im time. Another Edo man wey im name be Deir wey be manager of one mini estate wey im dey manage wey for im brother wey dey for Canada, come talk say Edo people wey dey Europe and America dey salute Governor Obaseki wey e take open EDOGIS as dis one dey help people dey get ogbonge title on top their land. Osaro talk say if na before, person go dey waka go land and survey plenty times and person go still dey pay plenty money dey give agents wey last the C of O no go still come outside. David Osaro come talk say him don secure im land wey dey for Eweime for Esan West local government area and him get im C of O sharp even when im dey Lagos State. Managing Director for EDOGIS, Frank Ewoma, talk say the agency dey help people dey get business opportunity as e dey easy to get land for Edo State. He say once person register im property and e do wetin e suppose do on top a land document, e go get a C of O. Ewoma still talk say EDOGIS dey keep record of both soft and hard copy of all the transaction wey dem don register for Edo and say the agency dey help people dey plan well with their property as dem dey give dem map, survey and other ogbonge data and informate once person ask for am. Na here we see dis ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say all the people wey dey Edo State don dey happy as Governor Godwin Obaseki don carry EDOGIS come sit down for Edo State as dis one mean say e go dey easy to dey get C of O now for land matter. Make una know say dis ogbonge updates wey dey waka come meet una so na T Live Media and I'm carry am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Make una like and follow us for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.